Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent or regular lecturer or assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state university, and here it is a level 10 category you are going to get. That means the level 10 pay scale. So for this one the salary is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Okay, so after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the college name is Devi Ahalya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. So it is the University of Indore and it is a state university of Madhya Pradesh, guys. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification that you can see here. Employment notice for various backlog faculty positions. So click on this one and then you will be directed to the notification regarding this recruitment, guys. Okay, that I will show you completely. So here the total 29 pages are there, this PDF, and we will go to the main points, guys. So this notification released on 6th July 2021 and it is employment notice regarding the backlog vacancies. Okay, and whatever the main qualifications and all these things are mentioned in the official website. The duly filled application along with all necessary enclosures along with the application fee 500 rupees or 250 rupees for SC/ST category of MP domicile. That means Madhya Pradesh domicile will comes under the caste category. If you belongs to other states, you can apply, guys, no problem, but you will comes under the general category and you have to pay 500 rupees. Should be submitted to the office of Deputy Registrar, Establishment Section, DAVV, RNT Mark, Indore 452001 by registered post or speed post or courier only. And application shall not be received by hand. The last date of receipt of application is 20th August 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. And university shall not be responsible for any postal delay. And coming to the next one, employment backlog vacancies. So Devi Ahalya Vishwavidyalaya Indore invites applications from eligible candidates for the regular post, backlog vacant positions of professor academic level 14 and associate professor academic level 13, lecturer or assistant professor academic level 10. As per the academic level 10 and the 7th CPC, the payment is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So let's check the details regarding the departments. School of Biochemistry, Professor 1, Associate Professor 1, and the specializations are also mentioned here. You may check down. And the School of Biotechnology, Lecturer or Assistant Professor 1, School of Chemical Sciences, okay, Lecturer or Assistant Professor 1 post is there. And School of Comparative Language and the Computer Science and Economics and Education and the School of Electronics and the School of Energy and Environment and the School of Instrumentation and the School of Journalism and Mass Communication and Lifelong Learning and the School of Life Sciences and Institute of Management Studies and the School of Mathematics, Physics as well as the Statistics. Total these are the different departments, guys, and here the vacancies are also mentioned clearly as per the caste category that you may check down, guys, and the specializations are also mentioned here. And the abbreviations, I mean F stands for female and D stands for Divya. Okay, so these are all the qualifications and few terms and conditions are also mentioned. The prescribed format of application and other required materials may be downloaded from the university website in A4 size paper only. Okay, and the prescribed application fee 500 rupees and 250 rupees for the SC/ST applicants of MP domicile on submission of supporting certificate. SC/ST OBC applicants of other states shall be treated as under the unreserved category, as I already told you. And the payment you have to do to this mentioned bank is the name of the bank, IFSC code, account number and address. And the receipt of application fee deposit should be attached with application form. Okay, and candidates, yeah, application should be supported by good quality photocopies. Okay, that means don't take the what we call not good the photocopies, guys. So please take the very good quality photocopies of relevant documents, and all the documents must be self-attested. Okay, and yeah, these are the things. And the application last date received to the university is 20th August 2021 and university is not responsible for any postal delays. and candidates already in service should submit their application through proper channel. Okay, and you have to submit the no objection certificate at the time of interview. So here there are no written test, guys. You can directly come for the interview based upon that selection process, and any change in corresponding address or mobile or telephone and email address shall be communicated to the university in writing. Okay, and yeah, these are all the important points. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. And traveling elements shall be paid to the outstation SC/ST candidates of MP themselves for attending the interview. However, SC/ST candidates serving in government or semi-government shall not be paid the TA. And yeah, so these are all the points. As I told that the last date is 20th August 2021, and the address is also mentioned here, so you may check down the address, guys. And regarding the qualifications, okay, so we will check down the qualifications for the professor, associate as well as assistant professor. So minimum qualification eligibility for the professor, anyhow PhD is mandatory, and for associate professor also PhD is mandatory. While coming to the lecturer or assistant professor in the department of biochemistry, biotechnology, chemical science, all these things, the candidate must have the master's degree with 50% of marks, and apart from that one, the candidate must clear the UGC NET or SLET or CSIR NET qualification must be there. And if you have the PhD, then some exemption is there from the NET qualification. And the subjects, the NET or SLET or SET shall not be required for such master's program in disciplines for which the exam is not conducting by the UGC or the CSIR or the state boards. Fine. And yearly the individually, as per the departmental wise, the qualifications are mentioned here, so you may check down carefully, guys. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay, so please go through this one, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.